In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change time zone in Hootsuite. First, open your Hootsuite dashboard. Take a moment to make sure you are in the main workspace where you can see your profile icon and navigation elements. This is important because the time zone setting is located inside your account preferences. Once you are there, look at the bottom left corner of the dashboard. You will see your profile image icon, which represents your account. Click that icon to open the menu. As you do this, you should notice a small pop-up appear with a few options. Next, review the options in that pop-up menu. Look for the entry that says Profile or Account, depending on how your workspace is labeled. Click Profile or Account to move to the correct settings area. This step matters because the time zone controls are tied to your account profile settings, not to individual messages or boards. After you click it, you should be taken to a page or panel where your account details are organized. Now that you are in the account area, you will see a left side navigation menu. In that menu, click Account. This keeps the navigation consistent and ensures you are viewing the correct section. After you click Account, locate the Profile tab. Select the Profile tab, which is usually displayed near or under the account options. When you reach the Profile tab, you should see various settings related to your user profile and account preferences. From here, scroll down until you find the time zone section. This may be a bit lower on the page, so take your time and scroll steadily. Watch for a labeled area that clearly says time zone. In that section, there should be a drop-down menu. The drop-down is what allows you to choose a different time zone from the available list. Changing this value ensures that timestamps, scheduling, and time-based display settings align with the region you want to use. Once you locate the time zone drop-down menu, click it to open the list of time zones. You will then see multiple options, usually grouped or arranged in a way that makes it easier to find your region. Carefully select your target time zone from the list. Make sure you choose the correct one for your current location or for the time zone you want Hootsuite to use. If you are unsure, pause for a second and compare the options shown in the list, so you select the one that matches the time you expect. After selecting the correct time zone, it is time to confirm the change. Look for a button that says Save Account Info. Click that button to store your new time zone setting. This step is crucial because selecting the time zone does not always apply automatically until you save. Once you click Save Account Info, give the system a brief moment to update. You may see the page refresh or the setting update confirmation appear, and that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to change your time zone in Hootsuite.